morning, folks. Good to be back with you. Just a quick update. We are still busy from the storm, and the new medication seems to be working well. I'm up and moving around. I ain't 100%, but I'm much better. It's expensive, but there's our new rig over there that's we'll be heading to. Oh man, what the heck? Are you sure this is water? Everybody's going to this one, but I am not sure. And anyways, good to be back with you folks. And we're just gonna put a bunch of stuff together for you. We're filling frac tanks, filling up the service rigs, going to the drilling rig, doing all kinds of stuff. So sloppy, folks. Sloppy mess. So far the truck is actually turning. We got it locked in. Feels like you're driving on marshmallows. What the hell was that? I don't know what that was, but that wasn't good. Well, we're going to be getting out of the truck and looking at some stuff, because that didn't sound good at all. No. Oh, this is a problem here. Oh no. Come on, girl. Got this loader here I'm trying to clear, and I don't think I'm going to do it. Sure is nice when you get to the rig and it's like coming home. Everybody's like, hey, how you doing? Where you been? Got that loader out of the way. But now I'm waiting on my partner here to do with the fresh water. I couldn't find anything broke, but I gotta tell you, that was a loud bang from the back of the truck, somewhere in the back of the tractor. It certainly didn't sound good, but I can't see anything wrong, so we're gonna have to figure that one out later, I guess. Alright, so we got a little wait here, and talking to a company man yesterday. I don't want to say the company, but a certain oil company believes that if we had the workforce up here, that there would be another oil boom up here. It would be booming again. So that's one aspect, or one opinion, or one version of the story. Freshwater shot. We're running around like crazy, man. Fill frac tanks, fill the rig up, go clean out, go get fresh water. You got another storm coming, folks, so they're trying to get done everything they can before the next blizzard hits. Hold up too far, damn it. Oh, I should just back up real quick. Let's do that. All right. I'm getting all gimpy limpy. Getting a little wore out. That's better. Didn't drop my gasket. Alrighty, folks, moving on. Try to wrap this day up. Alrighty, folks, that's it for the day. All wrapped up here. And since we just did 400 barrels of fresh water, we don't want to make the same mistake we made last time. We got another blizzard coming, and who knows what for temperatures. So the fresh water, for those of you that don't know, is last time we held fresh water, I left my valves open, but I didn't take them off. So we froze this fitting up and broke it, and that made problems for us. So we are going to pull that. We are going to leave this open. There. Now we should not have any issues. Like we had last time. No more frozen. Alrighty folks, look at this muddy mess. It was good getting back with you. We're gonna call it a day. I got hours of editing to do with all this video, so y'all take care. Be blessed. We'll see you.